Today I'm enthusiastic to teach you the path traversal vulnerability which exists in AdonisJS, the Node.js framework. So the CVE is CVE 2026 and 21440. This is the CVE, and we will in this session dive deep this vulnerability, how we can exploit it. We will exploit it practically, but before going to or before going to do it practically, we will see how does it work actually, right? So I just want to show you that on browser, sorry. Yeah, so we will before going to do it practically, just take in an idea that how does it work actually. So AdonisJS is a TypeScript first web framework, right? And the path traversal vulnerability exists. The version is 10.111, and we will if you want to patch that version, then you can upgrade your version. So I just opened this whiteboard, so we'll see something what the actual vulnerability, and now we will understand the path traversal, where the path traversal vulnerability actually exists, right? Then we'll do it practically. So what is Node.js? I'll tell you within single line what is Node.js and why it is used for, and what is AdonisJS, right? I just want to write here what is AdonisJS, right? So Node.js is like a runtime environment. It's a platform, it's a platform that runs your JavaScript code, JS code on server. It is the simple game. So what does it mean? I'll tell you what is the mean of it, right? So suppose this is the server. So sorry, Node.js is a platform that helps or that lets your code, JS code, to run on server, right? And AdonisJS, what about AdonisJS? So every you know it's a like AdonisJS a framework. It is a framework to build that backend in JavaScript or TypeScript. So AdonisJS is like suppose you can say website need every website needs a backend server. So backend need code to handle login, APIs, databases, file upload. So that work, that all the things done by AdonisJS. So AdonisJS and AdonisJS run on top of Node.js. So it is like a framework. So it handles all the things that I I hope you got that idea. How does it work? I just want to show within simple. You can say it's a browser, and the second thing is you can say Node.js, right? Node.js. It is a server. 1 minute. It is a server, and it is a, you can say, client. Yeah. So in browser has built-in feature to run JavaScript on client side on browser, but server doesn't have any built-in feature to run your JS code. So it require some software or something that can run your JS code. So that platform provided by Node.js. So Node.js helps to run the JS code on server, and browser has inbuilt feature that runs your JS code on browser. So it's a simple game. You don't take it like a very serious or like a technical. It is a simple game, you can say, right? So these all things needed, and something more like npm we will need. Npm is a node package manager, right? We'll do it little more larger, bigger, right? So node, what I'm just showing the all components what we will use to exploit this vulnerability, which is I just want to write here CVE 2026 and 21440, right? So we will exploit it, but before going to do it practically, we'll see which all components uh, are needed. Yeah, so npm is a node package manager. It's a you can say npm downloads and installs softwares libraries. So npm essential is a large digital library for javascript. So npm is a tool that comes with node.js, right? And it acts as a standard manager system for all the extra you can say extra part of node.js. So it's a digital library. It if I say in simple, so it borrow a code instead of writing complex features like payment system or data chart from scratch. You can borrow a ready-made code written by other and save your time, and you can install with the help of npm, right? So these all components will be needed. So so after this, I just want to show you the analogy or a simple in within a simple exact word how this vulnerability work, right? So a very basic flow. I just want to show that flow. How does it work? This path traversal. I just want to show you this. How does this path traversal vulnerability work? You go to sorry, do it properly. What the fuck this, right? So you go to a website, right? Whatever. You go to a website, any website, click like upload file. You always see on on website there will be some option that you can see, you can upload something on it, like file, any picture, your picture, or any kind of file, whatever it could be. So that you can upload on what on a website on server. So you will select file, you will press submit, right? And behind the scene, what will happen? Just want to see, just understand it. Behind the scene, file content will be checked by server, file name will be checked by server, and all metadata of that file, right? The metadata. So server to server, that code decides what code decide. You uploaded a file, whatever it can be. It could be picture, anything. So servers decide where should I save this file, where should I save this file. So there will be some uh, in server, there will be something you can say path that servers save inside that file. You can say server saves inside that file, suppose in upload or profile. You upload like profile.jpg. So this is your image or whatever that you uploaded or uploaded by user or other user. So you uploaded this, and server decide that that file will be uploaded in upload slash profile.jpg. But there is a more, it is not a simple game now. There is an attacker, you can say. It's an attacker, right? Sorry, it's a complex attacker. It's a attacker, right? It is like a U. It is a like U. It's a attacker, and suppose it's a girl, and her name. I want to say her name is Isu, right? And she is she is a hacker actually. So now what we would do is Adonis the vulnerability where the actual vulnerability exists. AdonisJS trusts what the file name too much. What does it mean? Excuse me, what does it mean? So AdonisJS trusts the file name too much. What does it mean? That the mean is if attacker upload with the upload with the name any file. Suppose file name is dot dot sorry dot dot slash hack dot txt. This is the actual file. File is this, but attacker issue is very intelligent girl. So she just included these kind of things, which is gonna be dangerous. So what does it mean? She added and included uh, these parameters. So which is gonna be path traversal like. The next move is server. Server blindly trust or blindly you can say blindly does what does slash upload slash dot dot slash hacked dot txt. So now, so you just typed an attacker typed this. The actual file is hack.txt, but the attacker wants to check that there will be path traversal or not. So she included these all, and the server blindly trust, and the you can say server will always put that file into it, upload folder or that path. It can be anything. So server did did the same thing here also, but the hacker is smart and she included these all. The server will store that file into it. So this is the main vulnerability. What will happen? Upload and slash. So there will be hack.txt will be saved in outside the upload, not in upload. Outside the upload, it will be stored in outside the upload. That would be the main cause or main vulnerability of path traversal. So I hope you got it. Path traversal vulnerability. If server blindly trust and save that file into but outside the upload. Why? Because attacker gave this kind of things. I hope you got it.
In simply, if I say again, then
This is the actual file hacked.txt, but she included these parameter which define path traversal or it means in Linux it means that we would go in one step back, and if we include two times then two step back. So in practically we can say in here, and also we'll see. Suppose I am here where I am. Suppose I go to downloads. So I'm here in downloads, but I just want to go back. I'll I'll do this. I was at uploads. Now I'm here. Uh, where one step back. So this is the concept. So this is the simple. This is a simple thing. All right. Actually, yeah. So server blindly trust on it, and the file is hack.txt. but a server decided, or on server decided, all the file will be uh, uploaded by client or other users will be stored in upload, but that is the different file. It includes this kind of characters, this kind of parameters, so it will trust, and actually same as as uh, as written by user will be stored on the server, and that is the actual vulnerability. And file would be saved uh, outside the upload, so that would be dot dot slash dot dot slash, so it means uh, two step back of uploads. So we will do it practically, but before going to, or before demonstrating practically, just I hope you got the idea of it, that how things uh, will be done, right? So now we are going to do it practically, this CVE, and we will exploit it practically, right? So that is the wonderful thing. Let's see. We need Node.js version, so that is already exist. We need npm version, that is already exist, right? So if you want to install, you can simply install apt install node.js npm slash y, which is yes. So by giving this simply command, and you can install it, right? So it's and we in next step is npm. We will make one environment, one one Adonis app, which is related TS, which is TypeScript, and we would install it latest, and given by name of project, whatever it could be. I just gave vulnerable Adonis, so it will automatically install. We will do it and press enter, project name, and setup. I just did it n, which is no, and it would install automatically. AdonisJS simply the simple app, which will be run on simply on localhost on browser. So it's a, it is not a damn rocket science. It's a simple. It would take some time. So it is, I guess it is installed. It is saying cd Adonis vulnerable AdonisJS. You can say here too. We will do it. So these all folders files will be there, right? Sorry. So you can check it npm run in development mode, and you can open it by on browser. You can open it, and hello world, whatever it means, it is running. So by cutting it, we would go in start, and we will make one upload parameter here. Like here we will make upload, there is no upload, but we will make it. So how can we do it? We would we would edit this file route.ts, and we would cut this uh, all this code, and we will write one simple code to make upload parameter there. So that would be import. You can say route from, just do write it. Same exactly what I am writing, right? And route post, that would be upload, right? And don't try to understand the fully these all. Just you have to understand the concept, not just not needed code. You need to understand. You just need to understand the actual meaning of it, right? So I would, after writing this, I will make you understand the fully concept why I'm doing this, right? And it will be to, this is the more critical part of it. It will move into what dot upload, right? That would be the dangerous part here, and it will be written as to client uploaded, right? Simply it's uploaded whatever we want to print on screen, and that's all. So this is the simple code. This is the code. Yeah. So this is the simple code. I just want to make you understand. It is importing, the first line is it is importing what? It is importing AdonisJS framework model route uses in API endpoint, right? New URL to create route. This, and the second, it is making API endpoint and URL is upload, right? So that is the that is the post method. If anybody upload anything, so that function will be run. So when any post request comes to upload, so this function will be run, right? And the third is, third line is a file which uploaded by client, so that all will be received here, right? And the fourth is the most dangerous part. It is, it's the most important, which is, if anybody or any users upload, so that would be moved in dot uploads, would be saved in uploads, right? So this is the actual problem. So the problem is AdonisJS will be trusted in it blindly, right? So that is the whole thing, and we will save it by pressing Control O, Enter, and Control X. That is saved, and we will make one directory which would be uploads. One, sorry, we don't need to make upload here. Just go step back and then make again upload. Right. So that is the whole thing. Yeah. So I made it upload, and now before going to move further, we just need AdonisJS vulnerable version. So we would install npm install AdonisJS Adonis body parser. I'll 1 minute. I'll tell you what does it mean body parser. It is the body parser mean it is the middleware that handles all requests. What the client or what the user is wants, what the user or client or other user uh, want to do on server. What the motive of it. So these all things will be handled by body parser and then just enter it. So home directory logs debug. Alright, it's token expandable. Please try logging in again. Alright, we will see is there any other. Nobody is here. Sorry, this is the my mistake. That was my fault. AdonisJS and then do it properly. So it will install Adonis 10.1.1 version. That is the vulnerable component or vulnerable version of it. Yeah. So just wait. It will take some time and it will install it. So yeah, I guess it is installed. You can say while list command, sorry, npm list. So yes, it is installed. Now we can run it, and So we will do simple npm run then development mode, not in production input. Score loaded request point. Is the error of something that the core hole important. All right, so we will go nano plus star cd star nano route.ts. So just do it simply by just leave it one line empty and save it, and again npm run in development mode, and that will be fine, right? You just open it on browser. So just open it on browser. So just go to in source code. So error is get not, this is not error, it is just showing that we didn't give get parameter. We are just trying to do post, and we did it post only, so we would need post only, so there is no need about this fucking get parameters, right? So what we would do is we will test path traversal vulnerabilities exist or not. How we will do in path traversal vulnerability here? So bar curl command hyphen f. Curl command is used for for web browser to upload something, or to get something, right? Uh, so curl hyphen f for b. If we want to send data, then we would use hyphen f, and then file, which file we would, we would give etc host file data to one another name. Like I just want to give her name, the name is yaganya.txt, because it is really gonna be wonderful, right? And I would give the URL, which is this http, copy this, right? All right, so we will do this and upload it, right? So what the main this curl command hold, the main is we are going to upload etc host data into yaganya.txt, and we did this and included these parameters, which will uh, be the cause of path traversal vulnerability, that would be saved, or that would be stored outside the upload, not in upload. So we just enter, and then we are here we can say here is uploaded, we can see here. And uploaded means if we see ls, so where the file exists, cd, Adonis. So you can first, there is no yaganya.txt. Why? We would go cd uploads. There is no ls hyphen a. There is no again. Sorry, there is no yaganya.txt. There is no yaganya.txt. Why? Because this is the path traversal vulnerability. It will not saved in upload. It will saved outside the upload. So outside the upload means we would go two step back, and we would do ls, and there will be again .txt. So why? Because this is the cause of path traversal vulnerability. If we try to read this file yaganya.txt, so it would be the same content that uh, the same of etc host. So you can say this the same content that is already exist in etc host. Thank you very much. I hope you really enjoyed it. It doesn't mean I just I run this command here on where pwd on slash Vinod. So it doesn't mean that it will save here. I just gave the path here. That's why it's saved outside the upload. Outside the upload, not upload, right? So this is the all about today. Thank you very much. In next video, we will see something more interesting, more wonderful, more dangerous, more lovely, and all the. Thank you very much.